We're going to talk about Newton's second law of motion and how it applies in nursing care. This law is written as FMA, which means force equal mass times acceleration. We'll show you what this means using something we often see in healthcare, pushing a wheelchair.
Newton's second law tells us two important things. The greater the mass of an object, the more force we need to move it. The faster we want it to accelerate, the more force we also need. In nursing, this means an empty creature is easy to push because it has little mass. When a patient sits in it, the mass increases, so we need more force. If we try to move quickly, the acceleration increases, and that also requires more force. That's why nurse push steadily and safely, use proper body mechanics, and sometimes ask for help, so we can protect both the patient and ourselves.
Now, let's apply Newton's second law in nursing care. When I push an empty wheelchair, it moves easily because the mass is small, so less force is needed. But when our patient sits in the chair, the mass increases. According to FMA, I need to use more force to move it. If I try to push the chair faster, that also requires more force. This shows why nurses move patient steadily and carefully, so the force stays safe for both the patient and the nurse.
Project. Remember that Newton's second law, which is mean force equals mass time acceleration, is a part of nursing every day. The heavier the patient or equipment, or the faster we move, the more force is needed. That's why nurses use safe body mechanics, teamwork, and steady movements. Thank you for watching and hope you now see how science supports safe and effective nursing care.